Wow, it feels so good to drive this car. As you guys can see, I reverted it back to normal. Still running with the bumper, the lips, damaged bonnet like I was saying. Feels so good to drive this car again. Don't mind my parking though. Alright, let's hopefully we get home in one piece. What I've noticed as well is this car, we have our fan, and I'm not too sure why. I've checked the fuse and I've checked everything, and I can't seem to fix it. So I'm gonna continue having a look at it, because normally when I drive this car, the fan always comes on, always. And I noticed it last time when I took Marcus and Brett for a drive, but then, like I said, since then I noticed the fan wasn't working. So today when I was driving it, kind of confirmed it. So I'm gonna see what's up. Alright, warming up the car. So I'm gonna take it for a quick squirt. I need to replace that bulb. That bulb's so faded. So that's that activates via fog light switch. Let's warm it up and take it for a quick squirt, and then hopefully everything's running as usual. I've managed to get the fan working. It was due to the relay not being plugged in. Probably since when I was doing the fog lights previously. So fingers crossed everything goes well, and it should work as usual. So we'll wait for the car to warm up and then hit some boost and go home. I don't know what the mic sounds like with my phone, but it just seems like it just wants to stall, right? Because it drops below the 1000. I think it's warm. I'll try to be responsible. Alright, it's like, I don't know, it's like one. Ooh, one of my bulbs have died. Indicator bulbs. Strange. Tunnel's approaching. It's over, guys. We didn't make it. We did not make it. It was nice while it lasted. Alright. Ooh. So the cops just left and I got done. No number plates, but he didn't see it properly. So that's a lucky one. Luckily he didn't do me for luckily he didn't say anything. Luckily he was super chill. Luckily he was in a good mood, and luckily he wasn't highway patrol. So I'm pretty grateful. It's always good seeing cops like that, but I'm just gonna have a really quiet drive home because that was close. Alright, so we made it back home. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty one of the more quieter drives home, and we can safe to say that we're pretty lucky, because although he only just gave me a stern warning for the driving, overall he just let me go, in terms of saying next time car can get impounded or whatnot. But ideally, the only thing they really were concerned about was me not having a number plate, but it's only because they couldn't see it from that angle. From this side, you can't see that I have a number plate. So yeah, all in all, I'm glad that nothing happened tonight. I'm glad that we got home. I'm glad that I got to take the car home. I'm glad that they weren't highway patrol.